Ever pushed yourself in the gym and then struggled with sore muscles for days? Today, we're going to talk about how to speed up your recovery post-workout. You see, recovery isn't just about easing the aches and pains, it's a crucial part of making fitness gains. It's during this time that your body rebuilds and strengthens itself. In the next few minutes, we'll dive into 5 scientifically backed strategies to speed up this process, helping you get back in the game sooner. So, if you're ready to bounce back faster and stronger, stay tuned. Firstly, remember to hydrate. Drinking water is key to recovery. Water is pretty much the lifeblood of your recovery process. It acts as the transportation system of your body, ferrying essential nutrients to your muscles. These nutrients are crucial for muscle repair and regeneration. Just think of water as your body's personal delivery service, ensuring all the necessary goods reach their destination, your muscles, in a timely manner. Now let's talk about dehydration. It's a roadblock, a big one. When you're dehydrated, your body struggles to carry out its basic functions. Your muscles, for instance, may experience cramps and fatigue. That's because they're not getting the nutrients they need. Imagine trying to drive a car without fuel. It's not going to work, is it? The same applies to your body. So, whether you're in the middle of a workout or wrapping it up, remember your water bottle should be your loyal sidekick. Keeping it handy helps ensure you're sufficiently hydrated, allowing your body to function at its best. So, make sure to keep that water bottle handy during and after your workout. Our second tip is to fuel your body with nutritious foods. Now, you might be wondering, why is nutrition so important after a workout? Well, here's the scoop. When you exercise, your muscles use up their glycogen stores for fuel. This results in your muscles being partially depleted of glycogen. Additionally, some of the proteins in your muscles also get broken down and damaged. Enter the superheroes of recovery, proteins and carbohydrates. Protein provides the building blocks for your body to repair and build new muscle tissue. It's like dispatching a team of handyman to fix up the wear and tear caused by your workout. On the other hand, carbohydrates are your body's go-to source for refilling those depleted energy stores. It's like sending in a fuel truck to top up your body's energy tank. So after a workout, it's crucial to have a balanced meal that includes both protein and carbohydrates. This can significantly speed up your recovery, helping you get ready for your next training session. Remember, your body is like a high-performance vehicle, and nutritious food is the high-quality fuel it needs to run efficiently. Don't skip that post-workout meal, your muscles will thank you. Moving on to tip number 3, getting plenty of rest. You may not realize it, but that peaceful time when you're snoozing is when your body does some of its most critical work. According to scientific research, this is the golden period when most muscle repair and growth happens. It's like a team of tiny builders working tirelessly while you're in dreamland, patching up those muscle tears and building stronger tissue. But how much sleep is enough? Well, to give this team ample time to complete their task, you need to aim for at least 8 hours of sleep per night. Skimping on sleep is like firing half of your construction crew. The work will take longer and won't be as effective. So if you're serious about speeding up your workout recovery and maximizing your gains, you need to prioritize sleep. Remember, a well-rested body is a well-recovered body. To maximize your gains, make sure you're getting those Z's. Tip number 4. Give your muscles a nice massage. This isn't just about pampering yourself, it's a key part of recovery. When you massage your muscles, you're improving blood flow to the area. More blood means more nutrients and oxygen, which are vital for repairing and rebuilding your muscle tissue. But what if you can't make it to a professional massage therapist? No worries. Self-massage with tools like a foam roller or a massage gun can be just as effective. These handy little devices can help you apply pressure to specific muscles, breaking up knots and reducing tension. It's like having a massage therapist at your beck and call, anytime you need it. The best part? You control the pressure, the pace, and the areas you want to focus on. So, whether it's a professional massage or a DIY session with a massage gun, your muscles will appreciate the TLC. For your self-massage, use the link in the description below to see the best massage gun we recommend. And finally, our last tip, stretch and foam roll. This duo is a game changer for your post-exercise regimen. Stretching and foam rolling are like a magic elixir for your aching muscles, helping to alleviate soreness and promote blood flow. Imagine your muscles as a network of highways. After a workout, these highways can become congested with lactic acid, leading to that familiar burn we've all felt. Stretching and foam rolling act as a traffic control system, helping to clear the highways and keep things moving smoothly. The increased blood flow from these activities delivers essential nutrients to your muscles, aiding in recovery and preparing them for your next workout. Not only does this pair help with recovery, but it also enhances your flexibility and range of motion, further benefiting your fitness journey. So, don't forget to stretch out those muscles after your workout. And there you have it, 5 smart and easy ways to boost your post-workout recovery. Let's recap. Stay hydrated, eat nutritious foods, get plenty of rest, massage those hard-worked muscles, and don't forget to stretch and foam roll. Each of these steps plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy and effective fitness routine. They're not just suggestions, they're the key to maximizing your workouts and taking your fitness to the next level. If you found this video useful, leave a comment below. And if you want to lose weight or kickstart your fitness goals, use our calorie and protein calculator in the description below. Lastly, remember, good recovery is just as important as a good workout. Happy training and thank you for watching.